Headlight flickering can be both annoying and unsafe, especially when driving at night or in bad weather. It usually happens when the headlights do not get a steady flow of electricity. A loose or damaged headlight bulb can cause flickering because it does not stay properly in its socket. Movement or a broken filament inside the bulb can make the light turn on and off. Checking the bulb and tightening it, or replacing it if damaged, usually solves the problem and restores steady, bright headlights for safe driving. A faulty headlight switch is a common reason for flickering headlights. If the switch inside your car is worn out or damaged, it may not provide a steady flow of electricity to the lights. This can cause the headlights to turn on and off intermittently, making night driving unsafe. Replacing the faulty switch usually fixes the problem and ensures the headlights work reliably. A bad headlight relay is a common reason for flickering headlights. The relay's job is to control the flow of electricity from the battery to the headlights. When the relay becomes weak, damaged, or worn out, it can cause the headlights to receive unstable power, making them flicker or turn off unexpectedly. Replacing the faulty relay is usually a simple fix that restores steady and reliable headlight function. Alternator problems can cause headlights to flicker because the alternator supplies power to the car's electrical system while the engine runs. If the alternator is failing or not working properly, it may provide uneven voltage to the headlights. This can make the lights dim, flicker, or turn off intermittently. Replacing or repairing a faulty alternator usually fixes the problems and ensures consistent headlight performance. A weak or dead battery is a common reason for flickering headlights. When the battery cannot provide enough power, the headlights may dim, flicker, or turn off unexpectedly. This can happen if the battery is old, discharged, or damaged. Testing the battery voltage is important to check if it is working properly. A low or unstable voltage can cause problems like flickering headlights. By measuring the voltage, you can see whether the battery needs to be recharged or completely replaced, ensuring your car's electrical system and lights work reliably. Wiring problems can cause headlights to flicker because damaged or loose wires interrupt the flow of electricity. Frayed, worn out, or corroded wires may prevent consistent power from reaching the headlights. Sometimes, rodents can chew the wires, causing further damage. Inspecting and repairing or replacing faulty wiring usually fixes flickering and ensures the headlights work reliably. So, by applying these tips and using the right products, you can prevent headlight flickering.